Hello everybody, welcome back to the Creative Grassroots Garden. I'm Jen, and in today's video I'll be harvesting my green beans and sharing some tips on growing these super easy plants. Green beans come in many different varieties. This variety is called Blue Lake pole bean. Pole beans grow as a climbing vine that can reach an average of 10 to 15 feet in height, and they do require some support such as a trellis. And bush beans grow compact, reaching about 2 feet in height and do not require support of a trellis. Pole beans are usually ready for harvest within 55 to 60 days, while bush beans are usually ready for harvest between 50 and 55 days. Green bean pods are ready to be picked once they reach an average of 4 to 6 inches. Bush beans grow slightly quicker than the pole bean, but the pole bean will produce more pods over time. I personally prefer to grow pole beans over the bush beans because it's a great way to save space in the garden. By growing vertically, I can grow more in a small space. Once your last frost has passed, your green bean seeds can be sown directly 1 inch into your soil, and about 4 inches apart. Most varieties grow best in warm weather, but they also grow great in partial shade or full sun. Green beans also enjoy a regular watering. They have shallow roots and need an average of 2 inches of water per week. Depending on your daily heat index in your growing zone, mulch can always be added around the bean plants to help retain moisture. Green beans enjoy soil pH slightly acidic to neutral, between 6.0 and 7.0. Typically, they don't need a supplement fertilizer because they fix their own nitrogen within the soil. However, depending on your soil type or if you have particularly poor soil, you should still amend it with an aged manure or compost prior to planting. If you have a limited growing area, you don't need much space to grow pole beans. I've had excellent success growing in containers. Green beans are so easy to grow, and they grow great up bamboo sticks, trellises, pergolas, cattle panels, anything that will provide support for vertical growing. They're also self-pollinating, so depending on your family size, you don't need to plant a whole lot. To have a continuous supply of green beans through all the warm seasons, you can try stagger planting about every 2 to 4 weeks. Make sure to keep a close eye on these because they grow quickly. Once they start producing, they can be harvested every few days. A consistent harvest will encourage new growth. Fresh green beans are so tasty when used straight from the garden, or they can be lightly blanched and frozen for future use. They're also great for home canning. Over here I have more green beans growing. These are growing up bamboo sticks with an average of 5 feet in height. You can pinch off the top of the pole bean vines once they reach the top of the support trellis. By doing so, this will force the plant to put all of its energy into producing more pods. Next to all the green beans, I have my sweet corn growing, so I'm probably going to leave a few green bean vines to grow straight up the corn stalks. Any questions or comments, drop it down below. I'm Jen at the Creative Grassroots Garden. I hope everyone's having a beautiful day, and I'll see y'all next time. If you enjoyed today's video, you can help support the channel by clicking that thumbs up and subscribe button down below. Thank you for your support. Have a great day, everyone.